Hello everyone, I am Liana with Music Academy International, and guess what? I decided today to start a new series on Czerny Opus 599. So this Czerny 599 is for actually for beginners. Is the first Czerny that you could learn. As you know, I do consider the practice of scales, Hanon and Czerny are the foundation of how to play the piano. So when you do this consistently during time, I still do Czerny at this moment in time, you know, that's how the progress, it will be on the right direction, you know. Anyhow, so you do have on the playlist, my decision is based on the fact that I did do before a series of Czerny Opus 299, that is agility and speed, and I could see that not everyone is quite there, so that's why I'm backing off a little bit and I'm starting with 599. So again, 599, the first 10 studies are mostly for sight reading, so don't focus on the finger number, focus how it goes up, stepping or skipping up or down or whatever it is. Obviously you might not be a good reader when you are at this level, so don't focus on the fingers, please. I would suggest you to erase the fingers numbers from there. It would be easier. So that is my suggestion. Another suggestion for this first series of 10, it would be to take one hand at a time, you know, and practice a couple of times, and then left hand couple of times, and then put it together. And now that being said, let's start with the practice of it. Hello everyone, and now it's number 7. 777, lucky number 7, okay? So 7 Czerny number, Czerny Opus 599, number 7. So what do we have here? I'm gonna have my metronome set off on 70-ish. I don't even know. And this time, again, we're having a lot of ledger lines to read. It's only one line long, so it's really easy, right? So let's go. C, D, E, F, G, G, N, F, D, F, D, C, C, and then repeats, right? D, E, F, G, relax your hand. Okay, I'm redoing it. And F, D, F, D, C, N, C, N. F, E, D, G, E, N, C. And same notes. F, E, D, G, C, C. That's it, right? So I cannot, you know, say too much about this one. It's about you reading the notes that are above. So above the C, this C, this is middle C, 1 octave, 2 octaves higher than middle C. This is C. So what you need to remember that this C has the second 2 ledgers above the staff. That is the only thing you need to do it, and then figure it out, stepping up to whatever, I don't know how many, 1, 2, 3, 4, you see, 4 ledger above is gonna be G, but I don't quite remember that. You can just count from the 2 ledgers above, 3 ledgers above, it would be E, 4 ledgers above, it will be G, and then in between, I don't even care, there's space notes, so that would be F, D, and then C. And then again, it's gonna be a space notes, can only be the F because it's pretty high, E, D, and then G, and then E, you can already see it, E, C, right? On the left hand, you just have the chord up and down. So as soon as you figure it out what it's all about, put it all together and have fun, okay? See you. Okay, don't forget, like and comment and make me happy. All right, good. So this series number 8, it's coming up.